Hello everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I hope you are doing well, guys. Today we are gonna to discuss a very thoughtful discussion. We are gathered here. So no WhatsApp, no Google, no YouTube. What happened next? So our discussion is revolves around the topic is what happened if the internet is disappeared for 30 days. So let's break the ice. Here Muskan Kumari. I want to share my views on this topic that if internet has disappeared for 30 days, so I think it is very good for the human beings because it increase the face to face communication, and also we can do the online shopping on the internet, on Amazon or shopping something. So it stops, and the chances of shops, grocery shops, and the farmers earning increased. So what do you think, sir, on this topic?
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this chance. So I think if suddenly internet disappear for 1 month, so many people wasted too much time in social media and interact from families. So they want to talk face-to-face attraction with families, with friends. They can make better relationship, better connection with families and loved ones. And many people are involved with the online gamings, online reels, and stoppable scrolling. So they are addicted. Some, I'm not talking about every people, but some of them are just addicted by phone. We are not talking about your friends, and we just distracted many things, like if I talk about many athletes. So if like I have to become a cricketer, I have to become a athlete, so I did not focus well because of some condition, like usually I wake up early in the morning, then suddenly I check my phone that someone notifications come or not, and after that I do some work. And I think every people 50 or 90 times, I think, checked entire day phone. Why? Because we are addicted. We don't think that, we don't have any idea that if suddenly internet disappeared for a month, then people create new thinkings, like reading books, learning offline skills, and they can work ourselves well, like suppose if you don't have any social media, unstop scrolling reels, YouTube, WhatsApp, no chatting, no contacting with social media, then you focus on your particular. You can talk with your family, you can talk with your friends, like when you meet your friends, then you feel you using phone while talking, then it is unhappy for your student, for your friends, families. So what do you think, sir, that what can be the consequences, and according to your perspective?
Hello, sir. My name is Ravi Kumar Singh, and our today's topic is if the internet is disconnected with 30 days. So, what are the problems we face? So, firstly, I tell the advantages of internet, that we are using internet. So, there is very much advantages, like best source of internet is in communication field, like when we use communicate when we use WhatsApp or Instagram, so that we can connect with someone through online, and we do video call also. And if we have any kind of doubt, so we send the images for that person, for providing us relevant information. And with using internet, at previous time, if we have no if we don't have money, so that we face very much of problems. But in current modern era, we use phone pay or Paytm, so that in every place, at every place, if we don't carry cash, so that we use that resource on that time. But if the internet going shut down, so that we face very much trouble on that. We If we don't have money, so that we don't use any kind of transport, or also a very much bad task for us. And we all know that many of the person are doing remote work, like they do work from home. If the internet been not there, so that their life goes very much disturbed, their job is also been get vanished. And many of the call center are based on the internet, because they provide remote work, and many of the software engineer are doing work from their home, so that they face very much problem. And we also know that at current time we don't read books, we only depend on the chat gpt or Gemini. So that if the internet was not there, we can't access that website. So that by my perspective, internet is very much essential for us. And if the internet is been shut down for one day, so we face very much of problem. And if the internet is shut down for 30 days, so that we face very much of trouble.
So hello everyone, I am Anshika Singh, and today I'm going to talk about a very very important topic. Like, have you ever thought if internet was shut down in just only one day, so which conditions or which challenges we face? First, firstly, advantages. If you don't use your phone, internet means is equals to phone, laptop and computers. So our mind was fully peace, full of peace, because we just put our phone on the table, and we can go outside the room, and we can live the real life as we can see. Like, if you go on the balcony or gallery, you face a very beautiful sceneries. Like, for example, if you see window, and the outside of windows, they are fully sparked, but you don't see, because on the morning you you went to your colleges or schools, and you miss out. Then you again starting chatting and scrolling reel. And firstly, disadvantages, like if internet was there, if we see anyone or any girl, and we influence very easily. Like, for example, me, if I see a girl, and I'm influenced very easily because of I think so, if internet was not there, I'm not using any kind of apps like ChatGPT, YouTube and Instagram. But like, on the other hand, if we seen that internet was gone for 1 or 30 days, so we connected our family. Like, we eat food with our family, we stay with the help of every, like, we meet together in hall or in room, and we talk our ancient time of, like, my grandmother was saying stories, and that was very like relatable for my genre. They said, if you want to become this, so which thing you do, and I do that things, and I'm succeed in my life. So that was.
So I appreciate your feedback. So definitely it increases your you said that your grandmother telling us stories, and this gives a spark to all children to think about the different ideas, and that's why they become with the fresh ideas. That I also must heard that story after the internet disappear, story plays a very crucial role at that time, because the children got so much excited to listen these stories. And apart from it, you said that books in today's era, that many books are not affordable, because due to the high cost, so that's why they read books on the website. So but on the other hand, maybe small amount of due to a low cost, we got the affordable, we got the book, little thin books, and we are addicted to read books, not online, but in a offline, because I read this thing that the blue light of the screen, it harms your eyes. On the other hand, you read a book for a half an hour, the children got tired and exhausted. They feel like no, I feel dull. They suddenly stop their interest. The thing is that they did not get so much excited to read these books. So this is the also the disadvantages. And you said that the payment, I think, yeah, you mentioned the payment, online payment. So maybe it the disadvantages is that due to the OTP sharing, the fraud has so much increased day by day. And what do you think that
Ma'am, as you said that the book, if we read any information through book, is very much beneficial, and through it we learn very much. But from my perspective, if you read anything, like if you want to learn in maths or any topic on physics, so in book we want to search many of things, like very much at book the everything is written in like from essay form. But if you want a good answer, so through GPT or Gemini, they give us a answer in point wise, in example form. They give you very much of they give you a relevant answer. But when we read book, we getting bored very much. But if they but in GPT they provide us in funny way answer, like if you write the prompt that I can't understand through it, so they give you a right answer according to their according to us. And as you said that many of the fraud are being done through sharing OTP, so it's in our hand if we provide anybody to share our OTP, so that the account is been hacked. But when we don't share the OTP, and we properly check our account and we do properly KYC of our bank, so that this fraud is not been happen to us.
yeah, definitely, it's fabulous idea, because and you know that I think that we start the program or a camping maybe, that to encourage the students to and awaken the students about these don't share your OTP something,
Yes,
that it decrease the fraud cases.
Yes, ma'am.
And you mentioned the physics, so I remember the Albert Einstein, Mr. Albert Einstein. He simply sat under the tree, yeah, and suddenly the apple fall on his head. Then they thought that he discovered gravity. Okay, so I think maybe he discovered due to there is no mobile phone, no devices, so that's why they think out of the box, and he discovered gravity. And what do you think, sir? I also heard that blue light of the screen, it disturbs your sleep cycle, and the students are so much compressed, and they are the government also impose these things that you should study because they have no choice. Yeah, like if I take my example that I take online classes, right? And the ratio of the online classes, many students take the online classes around 6.55 something million. So its ratio is so much high, yeah. So how students manage these things, because it is very important for their future. So what do you think?
Yeah, basically, as you mentioned, the education line, it is very important that if I talk about the compare of online education, many of people who is belong to village and rural area, they are not able to come in urban area and taking offline classes, so they have to suffering many possibilities, like they have to face many challenges by the situation if suddenly internet off. But there is benefit that you have to work, you have to think out of box as you mentioned. And offline classes there is many benefits also, that you have to interact face to face, you can make friends, and you can become an extrovert, guys. Because as sometimes we are totally involved in internet, and slowly our mind is work slow, we are totally depends on phone.
Yeah.
Whenever I need something, then without any thinking we use phone. So it is a little bit wrong thing, because you have to use your mind. After that, if you not solve the problem, after that you can ask, you can help with your phones, Google, ChatGPT, YouTube. If I talk about the businesses line, many of businesses like Flipkart, Amazon, and we are many businesses running in online platform, and we are also order like anything, like you just need something, you can order like Blinkit. It is very fast delivery. So there are many benefits you can also apply, but there are many disadvantages also. So what do you think, Ansika ma'am?
Like if we seen that, firstly before starting GD, have you ever thought like if network was not work for one day only, just one day, or like if light was not there, so we which work we do. So that was a perfect time if you do something. So the network was not there. Like yesterday was my maths exam, and I prepared. But again and again, with the help of ChatGPT and Gemini, I just put the answer. I am not thinking a very silly questions. I am just like 72 into 4. I am not solving. I just put, and that was affected because in exam I take lots of time, because it is like, okay, time management is on other hand, but the problem is that student not thinking wisely while they studying. They only use ChatGPT, but the internet was gone, so they use our critical thinking, and they start thinking like, okay, 72 minus 4, 72 into 8.
Yeah, definitely. I noticed that even if I take an example of me, so definitely we cannot do the long calculations, and simply we open the calculator and do these things. And something by hearing your alone word, something thought is coming in my mind, that in today's era, the fear of missing out, it's become a
FOMO.
like
FOMO.
definitely it's a FOMO, because if there suppose no internet, we cannot talk to others, okay, and the fear of missing out, stress, anxiety, it is not affected.
It's affected our mental power very much, because we don't use our brain. We only work like that internet they shows us, we do that. So that if the teacher has given us any kind of project or assignment, we simply search on GPT or Gemini. We don't use our brain. We don't read textbook, we don't exploring outside. We only use ChatGPT or Gemini, and after that we write on our assignment. So that our mental power is decreasing day by day, and the excessive when we use excessive smartphone or PC or laptop, so that our eyesight become very much low. And from childhood we goggles has been wearing from childhood, so that that is very much harmful for us. And with excessive using of smartphone or PC, there is very much harmful rays is also been disturbing our mind. And uh, we face very much problem after excessive using of smartphone, ma'am.
So as we talk that if suddenly one day internet disappear, like we also in I also belong in rural area, so suddenly light disappear for 1 day, 2 days, and more than, and our mobile is totally shut down because of light, and we are not able to charge our phone. Then what we think, easily we just made a group, and we gathered with some friends and talking with new curiosity, like every phone has shut down, and we are just thinking that we have to play something like offline games. And
Yeah.
in today's generation we are distracted with offline games like cricket and cricket,
Volleyball.
volleyball, many offline games. We are just distracted, and at that time we are just thinking that we have to play, and we are just connected with our neighbors. And you just see the condition of urban area. If you are living some colony, did not you don't know the person which is living you besides of you. It happens because we are totally depends, like our work, we are just going office, come at the home, and we are making dinner, we are having dinner. After that we are using phone and go to the bed. It's a simple routine.
Yes.
But we are not think outside of the box. But if you disappear, if internet disappear for some time, you will think, you will use your mind, extra use, not normally. And if you would not get mobile, and you cannot search anything, then you use mobile at what I have to do something, then it is very affected. But it is very harmful for our generation, because we are totally depends on social media, and many of influencer, many of actors are totally depends on social media. If social media and internet banned disappeared suddenly, then many of influencer uh, are ruined. Our career was ruined because they are earning with through of reels, making contents, and uploading content of YouTube. So some of them are very harmful, but some of them are very useful, that you can connect your family members at that time. At this generation, we are not interact with our grandmother, grandfather, father. We are not talking. That is the reason of internet.
Yes, sir, I am totally agree with you. Like at earlier, uh, some children or the elder person are playing cricket or playing football in the ground. But at current time, there is no one playing any kind of cricket or football in ground. They only spend their time in like online games, like online cricket game, online football through PS2 game or PS5 that are that we like in smartphone also. There is also online games like PUBG or Free Fire. They spend their whole time, like morning to evening, they spend their whole time in online games. And but earlier, there when there is no internet, so that he used to play outside. And there is also a game, also many games like Ludo and chess that that play offline. But in current time, the Ludo and chess is also being online, so that at everywhere in games platform or some other field, the internet, all the internet has bind up with all direction. They doesn't provide any kind of physical activity. They trap us. And as you said that many of the as compared to me, when I eat food, I scroll down the reel and watching YouTube, so that I also disconnect with my family. And many of the person are being disconnected with their family by using smartphone at when the family are around us. And we spend a lot of time that we spend with our family, we can't do that, so that we are disconnecting with the family or colleagues or friends. very much. We also not go somewhere with our friends. We only talk with the friends online or through WhatsApp or through call, so that we don't get good communication. That's it.
Like according to sir, you said the rural area was fully discovered. Like there has no internet. So like in now generation, they all use internet and many of the person making reels. So that was the good thing, but when rural area was they don't have internet, so each and every person or children, they meet together and they play gilli danda type of games. They invent by self, like, so that was the perfect thing. Your mind was very positive when the internet was not there. Like you don't overthink lots of, like if I see a girl and I overthink lots of time, like why I am not looking like that, why I am not perfect girl. So that was the thing. But if you don't use internet, like such as apps, they made for confusing your mind and affect your mind. So if internet was not there, so that was a perfect thing to achieve something, and for children also and adult also. And one thing also, if the adult was there, so I think forgot the state name, but in the state they start adult boot camp. So in this camp they learned such as the skills that we not study. Like your imagine your grandmother, they write your name, no, because they can't study. Like in the age of 13 and 14 or 12 they married. But in adult boot camp, our grandparents was write their own name. Okay, so they written their name wisely, like a one letter they started. And like as we all seen, adults are give fingerprint on the checks and something like. So if we start adult boot camp, so they write their sign, at least sign. And after that we can learn and we can teach skills. So that was a thing. Like if we teach our adult, so that was the perfect thing. They written their name, not they print, and they feel proud very. And
So I'm totally agree with you, because when our phone is not with us, we use our brain and we do innovative ideas. Like if at current scenario we don't have our phone, so that we use our mind, so that many of the new things, innovative ideas has been coming to our mind. But when phone is our hand, so that the everything that we speak is not from our mind, is that from the smartphone. So that by my point of view, I only conclude these things by myself. Like if I can't use my phone, so that my mind is working very sharply, and I work very effectively and efficiently. And when the phone is not with us, we start playing with our friends, we go outside, and we exploring very much places. But when phone is our hand, so that we only capturing the moments, we don't enjoying that moment. So that it because we are showing at internet, we live for others, we don't live for ours.
definitely.
So that when internet is not with us, so that by my point of view, we are very much getting happy as compared to internet, because we live for ourselves. That's it from my side.
Okay, so everyone spoke very well, and everyone perspective is for both of things, like advantages and disadvantages. And I also conclude that it is an imaginary situation, because I don't think that it would be happen in the future. So thank you everyone. Let's meet our next podcast.